Nya kwa Mogajwang arwaki chenro mar migago kamura murama intiere akwai ni ibed kora ka wachako nyaka wang watiki ka odichieng' makawuono nya kwa Mogajwang waikoni mathoth mesawa mar weche manyien kamoting'o mage ma waikoni odichieng'ni mar tarik 30 dwe mar 8 higa mar 2024. Piny kawuono gotache kaunti ma Siaya koyango chenro mag dongruok ka bende obiro yuore nyasi rwako Opiyo Wandayi pacho. Jopuonj mag Kuppet dhi mbele kod ng'anyo margi e gwenge mopogore pacho ka. Jopuonjre mag skul primar ma Meru yudo thieth tok ba iro malungo wang' e sikul sama nikayo jong'anyo makwedo tend Kawira Mwangaza. Nya kwa Mogajwang nyalo tudri kodwa e namba mar 30600 kata X marwa @RamogiTVKE @James Opondo Senior. Machiegni nyinga en James Opondo. Jatend piny William Ruto lieko ni onge kod ler mar jo Kenya moramora mawacho ni ne ondhi ma ndache olal e kinde ng'anyo mar sundo piny owacho mare ka Ruto mane olose romo mar Kamukunji e kaunti ma Kisumu tino manyoro oji oganda ma pacho kae ma wedegi ne olal e kinde ng'anyo mondo wuog oko kendo ochiw nyingegi ka mako bende mane olal piny owacho nyaka ng'i ni gin kanye. Sharon Ng'ao nigi ler mathoth.
En romo manokelo kanyakla jopiny kaachiel gi jotelo mopogore opogore. Koloso e kinde romo makamano, jatend piny okwayo oganda ma wedegi ne olal e kinde ng'anyo mondo ochwal nyinge makamago ne piny owacho mare.
If there is a family, any family, that their child or their friend or their relative went to a demonstration, whether it is last year or this year, and never came back, I want to know the names, because I will take firm and decisive action. Because as I talk to you today, I don't have a single name of somebody who has been abducted or disappeared. And the Minister for Interior, the PS for Interior is here, Raymond. If Sospita, kama uko na jina, mtu alienda maandamano, akapotea, hajulikani mahali yuko, tunataka jina yake, familia yake wakuje, patia huyu mungwana hiyo majina, we will deal with that situation.
Ruto omedoni kaluwore gi singo manochiwo ne oganda mapacho kae e kinde manotimo kisera mar ombulu. En ni onge ja Kenya moramora ma ibiro negi ahoyaye e sirikande.
Under my administration, I do not want a situation where a Kenyan disappears. There were days when people were found 20-30 in Rivayala here, executed. I want to promise you and to promise the people of Kenya that under my administration, there will be no Kenyans in Rivayala or any other river or in any other place.
E kinde modhi nyime gi limbe mare mar ndalo ang'wen kaluo, jatend piny osingo ni piny owacho mare nitiere gi dwaro mar medo kwan mag mwandu ma yude buo nembe kawuok bilion 20 nyaka bilion 100.
It is my intention to raise the contribution of our blue economy from 20 billion to 100 billion. And for us to do that, we need to do a couple of things. Number one, we need to build blue economy infrastructure. As you're all aware, we are investing 1.5 billion shillings in building 10 fish landing sites in Lake Victoria. From Busia, through Siaya, here in Kisumu, in Homa Bay, all the way to Migori.
Owacho ni mondo lek makamano ochop kare, kaluwore gi kwan jolupo mosebedo kalalo ngimagi. Obiro yawo kar jot mabiro reso jolupo mayudo masira e nam Lolwe.
As you are aware, we lose close to 5,000 people in Lake Victoria every year because of the kind of gears they are using, the boats they are using, the capsizing that takes place, again tomorrow, as a region, as an East African region, we are going to be launching tomorrow a rescue center that will have all the necessary facilities, including further down the road, a chopper that can be used to rescue people who have accidents, who have accidents in Lake Victoria. If we make fishing safe, we can encourage more people to do fishing.
Jatend piny omedo ni achiedh nade mar nok mar rech mosebedo ka neno e nam Lolwe bende piny owacho mare biro kedo godo. Komedo ni rode bende ibiro din ne achudhe mosebedo ka uso rech mawuok e pinje maoko e pacho kae.
We need to deal with the challenge of fingerlings and the fish stock in our waters. And we need to replenish, because the more we fish, the fewer the stocks are. It is the reason why I came to Kabonyo here. And we have a project of 1 billion shillings to have a major fish program here that will help us develop at least 7 million fingerlings, PS, 7 million fingerlings per quarter. High quality fingerlings, both for our farmers and also for us to restock Lake Victoria. When I came here, the last time I was here, many people in Kisumu were selling fish from China and other places. And I said then that we cannot continue in that trajectory. It's the reason why last year we banned the imports of fish from other countries and instead encourage our own local production and fishing of fish in Kenya.
Jatend piny pod dhi nyime gi limbe mare e gwenge makaluo, limbe ma ogeno tieko odiochieng' makinya. Sharon Ong'ao, Ramogi TV.
Erokamano Sharon Ong'ao kuom lipodno. Ka wadhi nyime, wayudo ni gavana machon ma kaunti ma Samburu Moses Lenolkulal gikone to koro ogo fwai mar omenda mohewo shillings milion 84 kata twech jela kuom higni 8 bang' doho ma Milimani yude gi ketho mar yako omenda mag kaunti ma Samburu kendo timo hala gi kaunti kotiyo gi kambine owuon. Ji mamoko 11 ma bende ne gin apisas machon mag kaunti no bende ogo fwai mar omenda maromo shillings 700,000 moro ka moro kata twech jela kuom higni 4 bang' yudo gi ketho mar tiyo marach gi apises mage. Ng'eto makamano biro bang' gavana machon no chwalo kwayo e doho mondo mi ng'adne bura maok mar twech jela kaluwore ni en kod ting' mar familia mare gino ma doho ne nodeo. Doho no bende ong'ado ni Lenolkulal ok owinjo yiere telo moramora kuom thuolo mar higni 10 mabiro. Kata kamano gavana no singo chwalo ywak mare e doho mar aywagra kaluwore ni ok oyie gi ng'eto makamano.
You are in custody, so I've also considered that. So for that sentence, you pay the entire amount or you serve the entire period for the two of you. Accused person, you are hereby disqualified from being elected or appointed to any public office for a period of 10 years from the date of this particular judgment. I'll order that accused persons, you have 14 days right of appeal. It's your right against the judgment and sentence by this court.
Jodak ma kaunti ma Samburu golo paro ma opogore kaluwore kod ng'eto mar doho kuom gavana gi machon Moses Lenolkulal. Moko kuomgi wacho ni kumno ok ni kare ka gisiro jatelo no mondo odhi ochwal ng'ur mare ewi ng'eto no.
I feel that punishment is just too harsh. Mimi sijaona mwingine ambaye amepigwa faini kiasi hiyo. I don't know kama walikuwa the way they are saying ati wanataka kusema it will act as an example to the rest or not.
Wasishukue sisi kwa sababu we are the children of a lesser God. Tuwekwe chini sana na tufanywe kama example to the rest of Kenyans. Tunaomba tu serikali ya Kenya sana sana president aangalie Wasamburu tumesikia kama jamii wa Samburu tumestuka sana na jambo hilo.
Samburu iwezi kuwa kielelezo ati ya kuonyesha ya kwamba watu ati serikali ina uwezo ya kufunga watu. Wangekuwa wamefunga mbeleni.
Lakini je, ninauliza kwamba serikali, mbona kaunti zingine hatuoni wengine wakifuatilia? Kwani ni Moses peke yake alipa pesa serikali? Tungependa ya kwamba kama ni kweli ilikuwa imeibiwa, kaunti zingine washikwe.
Mimi ninaona watu sheria ifanye kazi yake tu. Kama serikali imefuatilia na ikakuta mtu akapatikana hatia, naomba ikuwe tu hivyo. Na kama kuna wengine tena bado wako area wamefanya hiyo uisi, wafuatiliwe na washikwe.
Yuara kono bedo e boma ma Meru ka obila odonjo e kind jong'anyo makwedo kendo mamoko masiro gavana ma Meru Kawira Mwangaza. Obila nokiro iro malungo wang' mabende nodonjo e sikund primar ma Meru kendo rocho chenro mag somo ka jopuonjre moko abich oyudo kony mokwongo kod apisas mag Red Cross. Sikund primar no ni machiegni kod apis gavana kama jong'anyo ne dwaro donjo. Japuonj mar skul no okwedo diro iro e skul kendo rocho chenro mag somo.
5 wale walikuwa affected, but hiyo kutoa machozi, kila mtu ametoa machozi na kulia. They were about 4. Kuna moja imeingia mpaka kwa class watoto wakiwa, nyingine kavunja huko nyuma, nyingine huko mbele, but it was accidentally because there are some. Unajua wakati wamerushiwa, there are some who have jumped through the fence kuingia shule, which was bad.
Tutaandamana mpaka aende, lazima aende. Kama atashuka leo, atashuka sasa hivi, lazima ashuke. Hatumtaki, tumechoka na yeye, tumempea the 2 years. Hakuna kitu amefanya. Mara ya kwanza akakuwa saved, mara ya pili akakuwa saved akijifanya huko Senate. Vile alienda kulia huko Senate, akujangi alie huku Meru hivi. Akipita pale Kavita, anakuja huku anakuwa simba, lakini akiwa Senate yeye ni mnyenyekevu.
Kawira must go. Na hii si mambo about gender. Hii ni mambo ya incompetency na tunasema hatutaki uongozi mbaya. Hatutaki uongozi mbaya hapa Meru. Kawira must go. Si ati tunamchukia, ni mambo ambayo ametuonyesha hasa sekta ya uongozi. Sisi kama wanawake hatumtaki.
Nataka niseme sisi kama wa Meru tumechoka. For the last 2 years hakuna development tumepata ndani ya Meru. Tumemwona akipeana ng'ombe, akipeana gumboots ambazo hazitusaidii.
Dr. Deborah Barasa okawo apis ayanga mar migawo mar thieth kowuok kuom jatend migawo machon Susan Nakumicha. Kaka jafwambo marwa Efi Nyakidi lero, Barasa olero moko kuom okenge mobiro keto mar chwalo nyime chenro mag thieth pacho ka kendo bero migawo no.
Kobuonjo kendo gi mor mogundho, Dr. Deborah Barasa okawo apis ayanga mar migawo mar thieth kowuok kuom jatend migawo machon Susan Nakumicha. Kochiwo gige tich, Nakumicha owacho ni osepayo yo kendo keto mise motegno ne tend migawo no manyien moloyo to yor timo tiegruok ne nyamreche, keto e tim yor lony mar mbui mar ICHIS machiwo thuolo mayot ne oganda jo Kenya e kinde ma gimanyo thieth, kachiel gi neno ni oyaw kambi makonyo e loso chanjo mag tuoche mopogore.
As I walk out of this place today, I'm very happy with the 107,000 community health promoters who are trained, who are kitted, who are providing services to Kenyans. I'm also very happy that we were able to roll out the electronic community health management information system, that as you sit in the office, I'm sure by now you must have tried the dashboard and you are able to see reports coming in of what the community health promoters are doing. For me, that is good achievement.
Omedo ni midhiero maduong' manokale e kinde mane otelo ne migawo no en ng'anyo mar lakteche mabende norocho chenro mag thieth kendo geno mare en ni chal makama ok chak nere pacho ka.
The time the doctors were on strike, it was quite a low moment for us as a ministry. You know, having to see that there are patients who need to be served and the doctors are not there to serve them. I must say that is one of the things that really was a low moment for me as I worked here.
Ei ote mare, Dr. Deborah Barasa wacho ni jatend migawo machon osetiyo makare kendo gino mobiro miyo pek ahinya en neno ni oganda jo Kenya oyudo thieth makare mar ni thoth jo Kenya onge kod nyalo kata yuto moromo.
Kenyans are not getting affordable, accessible quality care. We are seeing that the private sector, yes, when you have money, you are able to access, but for the underprivileged or those with low income, they are unable to access care. So I believe that my sister laid a very good foundation in setting up the laws. And for me, I believe that ensuring that this is implemented to the last step is really critical.
Barasa osingo mar tiyo kanyachiel gi jokanyo e sekta mar thieth mar kelo gigo mabiro konyo e chwalo nyime chenro mopogore mag thieth moloyo to keto e tim chenro mar universal health coverage.
Equally, we look into the issues of resource mobilization, being able to map out partners around, and during the transition time, we can see how we can increase the resources so that we ensure that services are also up and running.
Omedo ni jochiw thieth mapachoka osebedo kod achiedh nade mathoth e kinde tich kendo biro keto alwora makare mar tich ne jochiw thieth duto.
I empathize with the health workers, not only the doctors, but we have the nurses, the clinical officers, the physiotherapists, among others. So we really need to also carry on and see how we can ensure that the health workforce have the appropriate environment, the occupational environment in order to deliver the services to all Kenyans.
E kindego, Barasa okwayo oganda jo Kenya mondo dhi nyime gi ndikruok ne chenro manyien mar SHIF mabiro kelo yot e yudo chenro mag thieth. Magi duto timore ka ten migawo mar thieth timo ikruok ne wuok e lai mar NHIF nyaka mano mar SHIF kochopo tarik 1 dwe mar 10 higani.
A key date for the ministry is 1st October 2024 when the country will formally transition from NHIF to SHIF. And I would really like that you would be present during this time because you are really a champion of this.
Toka apisi ayanga, oganda jo Kenya koro rito gi siso. Kabende jatend migawo manyien mar thieth Dr. Deborah Barasa biro chopo singo mare mar chwalo nyime chenro mag migawo ni. Efi Nyakidi, Ramogi TV, Nairobi.
Erokamano Efi Nyakidi. Ka wadhi nyime oyine jatend piny William Ruto chako limbe mare kaunti ma Siaya kod sidho dag teko sitima ma sola e chula ma Mageta gi sani nyakol mogo joang jatend piny ni e chuny boma ma Siaya kendo wanene gino madhi nyime gi sani.
Soko ni ya milioni 350 and we are going to have close to 1,000 traders katika hiyo soko. Mbali na hii soko ya Siaya town, pia tunajenga soko kubwa pale Bondo, tunajenga soko kubwa pale Yala, tunajenga soko kubwa kule Usenge, tunajenga soko kubwa kule Riyadh Komelo, tunajenga soko kubwa pia hapo. Pia tunajenga soko kubwa nimesema Akala, pia tunajenga soko kubwa Bambo. Ama inasemwa nini? Tuko pamoja? Nyinyi mnaelewa hiyo maneno? Muko na jiografia ya hiyo maneno? Soko 11, 11 new markets we are going to put up in Siaya County to support our farmers, to support our traders so that we can give them an opportunity to trade their goods in a way, in a market that not only has storage, it has also cold rooms and it has facilities for value addition so that we can increase the incomes of farmers, the incomes of traders, and make sure that we have food security in the Republic of Kenya. Watu wa Siaya jameni, tunakubaliana? Jambo la tano, mimi nimekuja hapa Siaya, ni maneno ya barabara. Sindio? Tuko na barabara nyingi hapa Siaya imekwama. Ni kweli ama si kweli? Na ndio hiyo sababu tumeweka mpango mpya na nimeuliza wizara yetu ya Treasury. We have the first 56 billion ya mambo ya mabarabara. Jumapili hii mimi naenda kule China kusign another program ya 40 billion shillings ya mambo ya mabarabara zetu. Alafu baadaye mwezi huu, pale mwisho wa mwezi huu na pengine mapema mwezi ujao, tutakuwa na signing ceremony na ndugu zetu wa kutoka UAE ambao wanataka kutusaidia kwa mambo yetu ya mabarabara, kwa sababu bila barabara hatuwezi kukuza uchumi wa Kenya, hatuwezi kufanya kilimo, usafiri itakuwa ngumu. Na ndio sababu hiyo we are focused on making sure barabara za hapa ziko tayari. Tumekubaliana? Watu wa Siaya tumekubaliana? Mimi ndio nimekujia hiyo kazi kwa sababu si nyinyi wananchi mmetimiza wakati wenu? Si mmetupigia kura? Si tuko na MCA? Si tuko na wajumbe, gavana na seneta na rais? Sasa nyinyi mlimaliza kazi yenu, kazi imebaki ni sisi kuwafanyia nyinyi kazi. Na ndio mimi nawauliza viongozi wote kutoka MCA hapa chini, huyu mbunge wenu wa Tandi na seneta na gavana na kila mtu, sisi wote tuungane tufanye kazi ya hawa wananchi. Tupange mambo ya stima, tupange ya maji, tupange ya barabara, tupange ya stima, tuhakikisha kwamba Siaya na Kenya inasonga mbele. Watu wa Siaya jameni, mimi nawauliza watu wa Siaya, unajua huyu wa Tandi amekuwa akinisumbua sana. Ni mtu msumbufu sana huyu. Wacha mimi nimstaki kwenu. Ndio? Huyu mtu ananisumbua. Mara ananiambia mambo ya barabara, kabla sijamaliza anasema soko, kabla sijamaliza affordable housing, kabla sijafika hapo anasema mambo ya stima. Sasa kwa sababu nimeleta pesa ya stima na soko ndio hiyo nimeweka hapo, na affordable housing ndio hiyo ameweka hapo. Sasa huyu Atandi si anapatia nafasi kidogo? Awache kunisukuma sana huyu. Ananisukuma kama wheelbarrow. Mwambie apunguze. Ama nyinyi ndio mlimtuma? Nyinyi ndio mlimtuma anisukume? Kumbe hata nyinyi mko na maneno. Ama niaje watu wa Siaya? Tuko pamoja? Haya, mimi nimefika hapa tena kwa sababu mimi nataka nikuje niwaulize kwa heshima watu wa Siaya. Si mnaona juzi tuliongea na Agwambo, tukakubaliana tutengeneze Kenya mpya, tuondoe siasa ya ukabila, tuondoe siasa ya migawanyiko, tuondoe siasa ya ubaguzi, tuondoe siasa ya kutenganisha wa Kenya, tuungane tuwe timu moja, tuwe ndugu moja wa taifa moja, with a common destiny, united to get our country to the next level. Mimi nauliza nyinyi watu wa Siaya jameni, munasema tuungane ama tutengane? Siaya munasema tuungane ama tutengane? Munasema tuungane, tuwe kitu kimoja. Ndio juzi mimi nimeunda serikali ya ama baraza la mawaziri ya kuunganisha Wakenya wote ili tuweze kufanya kazi kwa pamoja. Watu wa Siaya jameni, mimi nasema asante, mnimepatia huyu Opiyo Wandayi awe waziri wa energy. Mukakubali waziri wetu John Mbadi awe waziri wa finance. Na wale wengine wote. Na mimi nataka nimshukuru ndugu yangu mkubwa Raila Amolo Odinga kwa kukubali tufanye ushirikiano, tuweke Kenya mahali ambapo Wakenya wote wanataka. Nauliza nyinyi watu wa Siaya, tulifanya vizuri ama tuliharibu kuungana? Ni sawa ama si sawa? Ni sawa ama si sawa? Tuendelee ama tuendelee? Tuendelee ama tuendelee? Mimi nauliza nyinyi. Mimi na nyinyi tuko na historia. Mimi na baba tuko na historia. Ni kweli ama si kweli? Ni kweli ama si kweli? Hata baba kuchaguliwa kuwa prime minister nilikuwa na mchango kidogo. Si nilichangia? Sasa niwaulize, kama mimi nilisaidia baba wakati mmoja, baba akinisaidia sasa hivi kosa, munasema tuendelee? Munasema tuendelee? Hebu nione wanasema tuendelee na hiyo barabara. Haki nyinyi watu wa Siaya mko na maneno. So muliona juzi sisi wote kama wananchi wa Kenya, serikali ya Kenya, tukiungana na wana jumuiya ya East Africa mzima, watu wa Uganda, Tanzania, Rwanda, Burundi, DRC, mpaka hata huko Somalia, sisi watu wote wa sehemu hii ya East African Community tumesema ya kwamba sisi wote tunamuunga Mheshimiwa Raila Amolo Odinga aka Baba awe kiongozi wa bara la Afrika. Nyinyi watu wa Siaya mnasemaje? Tuendelee namna hiyo? Baba ndio tumpitishe awe mwenyekiti wetu wa bara nzima la Afrika. Kwa hivyo mimi nimekuja hapa kuuliza ruhusa yenu ya kwamba tushirikiane, tufanye kazi pamoja. Watu wa Siaya tumekubaliana jameni? Tutatembea pamoja, Wawinjori pamoja. Hebu niole wala anasema tuungane twende pele pamoja. Basi kabla sijasema, tuko na viongozi wengi, lakini wacha nianze na naibu wa rais Bwana Rigiji awasalimie.
Hii ni Siaya. Siaya. Nyinyi mumejitokeza namna hiyo? Haki ya Mungu nimetolea nyinyi kofia. Watu ya Siaya mjambo? Jodhurua utie. Jodhurua umo. Mimi ndio Rigiji mwenyewe, ile mtu kutoka Mlima Kenya. Nimefika hapa Siaya tuonane macho kwa macho, na tumefika hapa na kiongozi wetu, rais wa Jamhuri ya Kenya, kwa mambo ya maendeleo, kwa sababu siasa ya Kenya sasa tumemaliza, tumepanga vizuri. Sasa ni wakati wa maendeleo. Huyu mzee baba sasa sisi tunamuunga mkono aende pale Addis Ababa. Si mnajua huyu baba tuko na historia mrefu. Sisi watu ya mlima hapo mbeleni tulikuwa na shida na yeye. Uhuru Kenyatta akatuambia ni mtu mzuri, tukasema hapana. Huyu rais wetu akaangalia, na kwa sababu tunamuamini akasema Raila ako sawa, na sisi tukasema baba ako sawa, tuendelee mbele. Tumekubaliana? Tumekubaliana. Kwa hivyo sisi tuko hapa na rais kuunganisha Kenya na kusema ya kwamba Kenya ni moja. Watu ya Siaya, they are part of Kenya, wapate maendeleo. Na sisi huyu Opiyo Wandayi waziri wenu, mumefurahi? Mimi nimemwambia Opiyo Wandayi, ndugu yangu, charity begins at home. Kama unasaidia watu ya Kenya kuunganisha stima, anza hapa nyumbani kwa watu ya Siaya, hata hao wapate stima. Tumekubaliana watu ya Siaya? Tumekubaliana. Huyu mheshimiwa wenu wa Tadi ni rafiki yangu, na mlifanya mzuri kumchagua, ni mtu ya bidii. Lakini tulikuwa hatuelewani, lakini shida yetu ilikuwa ni kidogo tu. Mimi nilikuwa nataka William Ruto akuwe president, na yeye alikuwa anataka baba akuwe president. Sasa bila tumekubaliana, Rais Ruto aendelee, baba aendelee, shida imekwisha, zote ni marafiki. Tumekubaliana. Asanteni sana, Mungu awabariki. Thank you very much.
Leader Oburu Odinga, Senator wa Siaya, atusalimie.
Jothurwa untie. Jothurwa umor. Jothurwa urwako President Barwa. Urwako President William Ruto. Erokamano. Erokamano uru jo Siaya yakanea. Amor. Amor moloyo kaneno ka uchopo ka irwako rais. Kendo gima daher na nyisu ni rais wuotho sani obiro nono weche mag dongruok. Omiyo sani wawacho kode weche mag dongruok. To ei dongruok no ne wuoro wan jo siasa. Ng'euru ni siasa moro matin be nyaka bedie iye kanyo. So Mr. President, what I'm saying is that we welcome you. We welcome you to Siaya. We welcome you to Siaya, and we would like to thank you abundantly for having appointed one of our sons from here, Siaya, Opiyo Wandayi, who is a bulldozer. He is a worker, and he is one of our top creams. He is going to work with you, together with our Governor Orengo. We are going to work together, ana kwa ana. And Raila, my brother, has sent me to come and give his greetings and tell you that he wholeheartedly welcomes President to Siaya. He wholeheartedly welcomes the President to Siaya, and we are with you, Mr. President, throughout. Please, today I see the need. You know that our people are very needy. You have given one of our sons that is like the head of water. When a river is flowing, when you see the head of the water, you know the water itself is coming. So we know the water is coming. Asante sana Bwana Rais. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Kuja.
Ja kwara mogo jwang mano jatend piny William Ruto ka entiere e chuny boma ma Siaya kama wuoyo gi jogo moyuoro romo mare ka Montelo no oyao chiro ma entiere chuny boma ma Siaya. Nya kwara mogo jwang ka moko kuom dongruok ma jatend piny William Ruto dhi godo e county ma Siaya ka odiochieng' mokwongo e limbe mare ma Nyanza ne entiere county ma Migori ka odiochieng' manyoro ne entiere county ma Homa Bay. Jo Kisumu bose lidho jatend piny William Ruto ka odiochieng' ma kawuono ne en odiochieng' jo Siaya kama gidongruok duto ma jatend piny William Ruto singo mar keto e lwet jogo mantiere counties mopogore opogore mantiere kalu. Wadaka oyueyo ma dundo kapok odhi e yueyo somo tuwari adek Ramogi TV ler kendo weche ler mokalo mano mole ochuka jayalo kawuok Rarieda Sembo piny maber. Ramogi TV masara singanya kwa Rodongo mar wang' neno West Kanyamkago sedonjo kendo aneno migago e TV na mos ka antiere West Kanyamkago kae mosnajo West Kanyamkago duto. Ramogi TV Pastor Omondi Otiche mar Gemo nyinyore bende wacho ni entiere achiel kachiel kendo neno Ramogi TV ka weche manyien chopo ne e yorno makare. Osiepa moro iluongo ni Fred wacho ni kicho manjura dhi nyime kendo warwako uduto ka odiochieng' makiny en odiochieng' makoro watieke. Erokamano Fred Amoke ka entiere dala mar Arenga Kojwach. Nyakoro mogo jong aka oyo ma adundo kik dhi mabor nikech pod wan gi weche ma odhuro chenro ni mar migago.
Jipange na View sasa imerudi kwa mbwembwe na vishindo. Jipange leo kwa nafasi ya kujishindia mamilioni ya pesa. Jipange ushinde na View sasa. Bonyeza *487*3# hash na uweke 50 bob tu, au tuma kwa paybill number 724177, account number ikiwa ni nambari yako ya simu. Utapata content na point 50 za kuingia kwenye draw ya kujishindia 50,000 kila siku, milioni moja kila wiki na grand prize ya 3 million shillings. 3 million shillings. Jibambe na content nyingi zaidi, uongeze chances zako za kushinda. Jipange na View sasa. Weka 50 bob tu na huenda ukajishindia 50,000 kila siku, milioni moja kila wiki na grand prize ya milioni 3. Sheria na masharti kutumika. Imeidhinishwa na BCLB number 0000130.
Dreaming of an unforgettable European vacation? View Travel makes it happen. Explore Rome's history, Venice's romance, and France's charm. Immerse yourself in local cultures with our English-speaking guides. London, Paris, Prague, Santorini, Istanbul, Berlin, Barcelona, Amsterdam. Europe awaits. View Travel delivers. Discover Europe from $1,600 for a single country trip and $2,100 for multiple countries. Visit viewtravel.com or call 0703-254-254 and book now. View Travel. Dream, explore, discover.
Victoria Naza. Kupata wimbo huu kama sikiza tune yako, bonyeza *811*381#. Kumbuka, sikiza na Citizen nyumbani kwa wasanii wote.
My name is Godfrey Mwirigi Minyori. I come from Meru. I'm a fan of the Aviator game. I learned about it on Citizen TV when I saw somebody that had won the game. I got interested in it and started participating. I've won quite a number of times, but this is the bigger of the wins that I have had. I like the game because it's a game that you can play anytime, anywhere, and it has no bias. And here you can see I'm getting my check for my recent win. Niko na project kadhaa zenye zinaendelea, itaingia kwa hizo project na tunashukuru kwa Aviator.
Aviator Shabiki.com inakupa the biggest multiplier in Kenya. Shinda up to 50,000 times your stake. Yani ukiweka stake ya 100 bob, ndege ipeperuke, unashinda 5 million within seconds. Changamkia Aviator on Shabiki.com. Not for persons under the age of 18. Authorized and regulated by BCLB license number 428.
Machiegni kendo nya Kwaramogi. Sama ng'anyo mag jopuonj donjo odiechieng' mar abich, jokanyo mag riwruok mar Kuppet e boma ma Nairobi obago ng'anyo e chuny bomano. Jopuonjgo nobago ng'anyo nyaka e apis TSC ka giwacho ni gibiro dhi mbele kod ng'anyo nyaka TSC chop dwachgi. Kuppet olando ng'anyo mar adhayi kawuono tok winjruok osebedo e kindi kod TSC e wi chenro mar dok e tich.
Any arm twisting by the employer by going to court in order to demand that teachers must stop the strike before any talks begin. That is practicing bad labor laws. We want the negotiations to be in trust, good faith, and it must be within the confines of good labor practice.
I want to reinforce the issue of stagnation. I have a teacher at Embakasi Garrison known as Madam Kwamboka, who has been in one job group for 20 years. I have another one in Ofafa Jericho known as Mr. Muiruri.
The students these teachers taught have come back to class and they have gotten serious job groups than the teachers themselves. That is very unfortunate. I want to urge the media, when we're talking about stagnation, come around and we'll give you special editions so that you can cover these teachers. You get the real information when we're talking about stagnation.
I want to tell you that these teachers you are seeing here are the people who have set the exam. They are going to administer the exam. They will be marking the exams. So what you are saying, the parents and the teachers, the principals that are in school with the student, can know that if the teachers are motivated, they will actually do a very good work. And the national exam will not be interfered with. So what you are saying is that so long as they listen to the teachers, there will be no problem with the national examination. We will recover, we will cover, and we'll do the necessary thing to make sure that the national examination is handled well.
Riwruok makedo ratich jopuonj mar Kopete County ma Mombasa koro seyo duolo mochung'ne ndiko jopuonj TSC kuom nyayo pogruok e kindgi kod piny owacho. Gikoni kata bang' piny owacho keto tenge bilion 18 mageto rakore gi moko kuom midhieche magisebedo ka gikalo e duolno tamore bedo kodgi piny mar timo winjruok e omenda ma kamano. Giramo ni ok gibidok e tich nyaka chieng' chopo singo manyocho migi magini ka achiel kod ndiko jopuonje JSS dich chwalo omenda mag okumba mag thieth kod keto e tim winjruok mar CBA margi.
Ni gibro timo gi dweche 4 moko gisewacho ni gitimo koro TSC mapondo ok dwa nondik kodwa kaka wadwa kawo pesa ni mondo gitito pesa to nitie jowadwa pesa nitie jogi serikali nyalo timo chunygi ema gala ok wadwa ni wadaka jokwecho makwane kor gweng' to wana job mapondo wadwa miwa pesa maber wabed jotich serikali kwa wuotho to wan bende wan mana jok manigi nyadhi ma ji oluore pap gi e gweng' kamora mora ka in janyuol ka unyathini puonj dala puonje kendi ko kamano to piny biro puonjo ni nyithindo wan ok wapuonji wan ko miwa time nu wadoge sikul wan jopuonji nyithindo go mekwa wabiro puonjogi gibiro kalo penj wan em wapuonjogi wan em wang'e syllabus to ka ok gidwa wan em wanono ka ok gidwar gimanjo yalo magisiko ni teaching is a calling gimanjo yalo timnegi calling no biro nono gi penj biro miyo gi doctors go wan wadagi no kwa bidok wadok mana ka waneno tonglo e payslip.
Piny Kenya opango choko omenda makwane romo trilion 1 kowuok kuom jo-Kenya modak e pinje maoko nyaka chop higa mar 2027 ma en kaluwore kod jatend migepe Musalia Mudavadi. Mudavadi owacho ni higa mokalo jo-Kenya modak e pinje maoko ne ooro omenda maromo bilion 671 pacho ka omenda mathoth mohe omenda machon mane chai kod kahawa miyo Kenya e kinde machien ka oloso e kinde nyasi mar Western Edition the kazi majuu e kaunti ma Vihiga. Mudavadi owacho ni sirikal osemedo kwan mar jogo mayudo tich e pinje maoko mondo kony piny Kenya oyud omenda mojuol kokalo e chudo mar dola kowuok e pinje maoko. Mudavadi bende omedo ni piny Kenya en piny mani thuolo ne timo ohala to timbe mag rowere mag ng'anyo kinde duto ema bogo joket mwandu pacho ka.
That our human resource is our biggest asset. Our country is blessed with a rich diversity of talent that is in great demand across the globe. Last year alone, Kenyans in the diaspora remitted back home. Now listen to this figure. 671 billion Kenya shillings, making a significant contribution to economic and social prosperity at household and national level. Diaspora remittances are now the leading source of foreign exchange, contributing more than the combined forex earnings from our traditional exports. Tunataka hizo pesa zitoke kwa hiyo 671 billion tuingize 1 trillion. Tukifika 2027 tunataka tujue kwamba Wakenya wanaingiza 1 trillion Kenya shillings zije hapa.
Jalup jatendo bila manyien ma pacho ka Eliud Lagat otimo limbe ma apoya e tesendo bila ma Embu West achiel kuom limbege mag Nyero. Lagat otimo limbe e tesendo bila mopogore opogore pacho ka timo nonro e wi midhiero ma apisas mag obila kaloe kanyaka sani ne osetimo limbe kendo neno midhiero mopogore ka osingo kedo ne obila go kaka gero kendo lero kuonde dak kod tesende mek obila. Jalup jatend obila no bende no osingo chako ayanga ute obila mane gedo gi ochakore higa mar 2021 kokalo omenda mag dongruok mar NGCDF.
Gone through the station and found out, and I've got the brief. I've been briefed on the security situations within Embu and its environs. And as part of my administration and what I'm doing on day to day is just to check on my officers, how they're behaving, how their morale, the crime and management of the county as such. Generally, the area is, and my officers are okay, and the issues that we are going to deal with it, I've got the brief, and the issues that needs my attention, I will deal with it. Otherwise, I want to ask the people of Embu, people of this place, to maintain peace, to maintain law and order, and we make our country better every day so that the socio-economic activities of this place can prosper.
Miche gi miche mag oganda e kaunti ma Nyamira noriwore gi jolendo mag nyakalondo mar Gesa FM e gwenge ma Kibirigo e kar chung od bura ma Mugirango West e kaunti ma Nyamira e chenro mar chiwo puonj e wi kuonde tiegruok e kaunti no. Jatend nyakalondo no James Gichana ma bende ong'ere gi nying mar Omoiberania manotelo ne chenro no kwa jodak ma Nyamira mondo oter nyithindgi e kuonde tiegruogo kaka yor neno ni giyudo kaka ginyalo konyore e ngima gi mabiro. Chenro no ne okelo kanyakla Nyamira National Polytechnic, Credo Faster, Batmo Technical College kod riwruoge mamoko. Joloch mag tuke mopogore opogore noyudo mich.
Mambo ya masomo kwa sababu tuko na taasisi za masomo ziko hapa hivi karibu, na tunashukuru wale vijana ambao wamejiandikisha siku ya leo kuingia katika zile taasisi za kiufundi, kwa sababu vile tunaangalia Kenya mahali inaelekea inahitaji watu ambao wako na skills, na tunashukuru Egesa FM kwa sababu tumefanya awamu ya 15 sasa. Leo ilikuwa ni awamu ya 15. Awamu ya kwanza tulifanya, ya pili, ya tatu, na leo ilikuwa ni awamu ya 15. Na muda wote wale mashirika wote ambao wameshirikiana pamoja na sisi tumesaidia vijana wetu, na sana sana wale mayatima ambao hawana uwezo wa kuingia shule. Leo tumewapatia nafasi, wengi wamejiandikisha, na tunashukuru Mungu kwa sababu tukirudi next year wakati kama huu tutapata wengi wako na skills ya kufanya kazi na wengine wamesimamia
kitu kabisa. Tumenufaika sisi kama watu wa hapa, na tulikuwa tumerequest Egesa FM ilete ikuje pande hii na mawingu, na tumeingia mpaka mashishani. Sasa watoto wametoka mashishani.
Nimeshukuru, mimi ndio mshindi haki. Nimefurahia sana kwa management yote, iwe Egesa FM iwe mawingu, watu wote, hata media. Leo ndio nimeona ukweli. Nilikuwa nafikiria ni uchanja, maybe wanatudanganya, lakini leo nimeamini kuwa ni ukweli.
Tuambie kwa majina, unaitwa nani?
Anchep 9.
Umetoka wapi? Mtani wapi mami?
Ni Trans Nzoia.
Unafanya biashara gani ama uko employed? Unafanya nini uko mami?
Mimi ni mwalimu.
Walimu washakuwa pilot. Cheki sasa venye nakuambia, mwalimu mwenyewe. Ulianza kucheza aviator lini?
Nilianza kucheza this year March.
Ulijuaje kuhusu shabiki aviator?
Nilisikilia tu colleagues wale ucheza
pale job So pia mamode wengine ni mapilot huko. 1.2 million. Na una plans gani na hii mkwanjezi mami?
Kitu niko naye kwa mind tu ni shamba alafu na nitulie.
Congratulations to Anmanze. Na nikiwaambia aviator ndio form. Kuwa captain. Mbona utaki kufinya mafuta?
Aviatorshabiki.com inakupa the biggest multiplier in Kenya. Shinda up to 50,000 times your stake. Yani ukiweka stake ya 100 bob, ndege ipeperuke, unashinda 5 million within seconds. Changamkia Aviator on Shabiki.com. Not for persons under the age of 18. Authorized and regulated by BCLB license number 428.
Chak wuoth materi kama ber lilo emanitie. Donji e piny ma jotije wa makonyo kastembe gi rwak makende ok ni mana kod lony to gikonyi e timo yiero makare mar chopo lek ma in godo e kitu itado midwaro. Winjane sigand kastembe wa moseyie kod ber ma giseyudo.
Mabati is the best na bei iko sawa na quality iko poa.
Limwa e badwa ma Manjit House, Kisumu Accra Street e apaya ma Paul Mboya. Gochi e 070 Adek Abichabirio Aria Burachiel. Royal Mabati Factory, excellence redefined.
The same way I was told uko na ukimwi, this person who's giving me my results tells me you have cancer without counseling. But because I have HIV, they had to remove the womb, the uterus, the ovaries, all those things so that it doesn't spread. My name is Sally Agalo, and this is my life journey.
To watch this story and more, download the Citizen Digital app today.
Kenya's #1 app, Citizen Digital.
Umefikiria Kenya utafanyia hii pesa?
Nafikiria kulipia watoto shule. Nitaendelea kucheza ndio nifikie ile target ya 3 million.
3 million.
Taka kucheza unambonyeza *487 *3 hash.
Machiegni e weche mag tuke. Timu volleyball mar Trail Blazers osechako timo ikruok ne season manyien mag tuke mag volleyball liga maduong' pacho ka. Timno pod nigi jotugo mane gitiyogo season mokadho kendo gin gi geno mar timo makare season. Trail Blazers nokawo lig maduong' season mokalo bang' loyo tim mar Kenya Army e final. Season manyien chakore tarik 23 dwe mar Apar.
The condition is very nice because being a senior player and also as a coach gives an advantage to the management side. A situation like this where all the coaches are not there, you can be the one to build up the younger players who are coming up. The goal of this season was to clinch the 2024-2025 season, which still remains as the main goal of the team. So we're looking forward to achieving that goal.
Tima mar Stima Dat ni ng'wecha mar ndiko duoko makare tuke mag Afrika ma ugwe e kinde magidhi Uganda ne tuke mag Kampala Open Championships. Timno ne wuok e pacho ka bang' ne giyudo sir kowuok kuom kambi mar Kenya Power ma osebedo ka sirogi. Tim no nigi geno mar ndiko duoko makare tielo ni kendo loyo simbo mag timbe Afrika ma ugwe.
East Africa is the best person also in Kenya. Kenya's number 1.
But you are not happy.
We are very happy. Akitusaidia the better. So mnakumbuka kuna watu walifaidika last time.
Sasa ile kitu ambaye tunaweza sema ya kwamba hizi masiku zimesalia, tunaweza kwenda na alafu tuangalie makosa mahali ambaye imekuwa, na sababu tumeweza kushiriki katika hiyo michezo tena. Tunajua ya kwamba mahali ambaye kuna maugumu na kuna mahali ambaye watu wanaweza penya, kwa hivyo tuko tayari kabisa.
Fully prepared for us, and that's why we have taken a lot of practice. Last week we were doing our team selection. We do an open selection. Each and every player has an equal opportunity to take part in the team, and we appreciate the sponsors given us an opportunity that after the selection we take our players for a camp.
Nyako na magojon kanya machopo giko maga weche manyene chendro ni mara migago akwai ni mondo bedi koro odiochienga makare kochopo sa 10 abrudu kae gi weche mawaido mesa maga weche manyien jo uyo makatenga Kisumu Kajulu The Onjura SDA Church wach gi pak kuom bago kiche mano chakre chieng' ngeso mokalo ka rumo ngeso ne bed kod odiochieng' makare. Nyinga en James Opondo.